Hi, I've been extremely depressed and I'm gonna try to do makeup. Okay, so first things first, I have this. No one asked for this either.
This makeup is like a couple years old. This is completely open. This is my foundation. But we're using that as a, oh my god, don't look at me.
So what I do is just like mix this to my skin look like flesh that is very glowy, and I am a big fan of that. I'm already wearing makeup from today, yes, I know, but I'm too lazy to take it off right now, so then I just kind of rub it all on my face. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but whatever. See, it looks very dewy, very natural. We love that. I like to use this one in the shade pale because I'm obviously not very dark. I'm just gonna put on a lot. I need to be bad at this. I'm not bad at this. Then I'm bad at it, so everything this is like snatch.
With me to get my good palettes. They're in the bathroom.
We're gonna be using this Natural Flirt palette by Morphe, some Hello Kitty brushes.
Reveal. Very pink. I hate it. Now this part doesn't matter so much as the eyeliner matters. The eyeliner is gonna
Wow, interesting.
funny. It's only funny to me. I've decided to go full on Pinkie Pie moment here. My eyebrows pink. Look awful.
First, I need to use
What's the process? It looks so snatched. Or it's gonna look terrible afterwards, and we're gonna figure that out. So trust me, guys. This is the most important part because I don't have black eyeliner right now, unfortunately, because I bought the wrong kind. Girl makeup. This is girl makeup. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm gonna go in with 3 shades of lip gloss. Okay, not too much. Okay. I do have to say, I quite like myself in this formation. Maybe I was not born to be demure. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't look emo anymore. I hope, when literally that's just preying on my downfall. I don't mind if I do. I don't at all.
I do have to say I like this look a lot. I do have to say I want to go to the golf club now and I want to dance to some ravenous 80s music.
This is enough to get me out of my bed.